Hi, Mark Diaz here for 2danimation101.com answering a question for Muriel. Okay, so Muriel, your question was how can you take the all of this scene and transform it into all the props because all of these are different props, right? And you want to take all of that and transform it into a scene. So here's how to do it. All you have to do, if you want every single prop selected, just go to Scene Manager and then click on Prop. That selects everything. Now, maybe you only want the wall. Let me just click on so I can deselect everything. I can click on the wall and maybe hold Control and then click on these three objects. Whatever you want to transform into a scene, just select it. In this case, I'm going to take everything and convert it into a scene. So with everything selected, in the workspace, I'm going to right click and then select convert to scene. There you go. Now instead of prop, it says scene. All right. Now I can go to Content Manager, go to Scene, then Custom, and then from these options, I'm going to select Scene. And well, actually, I already created one here. I'm going to delete it. There you go. And now all I do is click the plus button. This is going to take a little bit of time. I'm going to fast forward this. There you go. Now I'm going to name it Muriel Living Room. There you go. Now I can create a new project. I'm not going to save it. And in a brand new project, I can just click and drag. And look, I can play it and I have even all the animation you had. Super duper cool, isn't it? Okay, so that's it. Now, particularly for me, I don't like the smoke effect you were using. This effect, I didn't like it, to be honest. So what I would do is use a different animation or just remove it. And if you really need it, I would go for sprites, for a sprite animation where you could have like a little smoke effect like this. You can search for it, smoke sprites, on Google and just get an idea for sprites. That's what I would do. But in any case, if you want to extend this, you can just take it and copy and paste the keyframes. I'm going to create another tutorial to explain to you how to do that and send that video to your email. Okay, so that's it. Hope you guys enjoy this, and now you know how to take any scene and any props, combination of props, and transform them into a scene. This is Mark Diaz for 2D Animation 101.